Gothic. In the depths of the dense forests of Nepal, there lies a mysterious creature known as the nimerigar. Legends speak of its terrifying appearance and its insatiable hunger for human flesh. Many who have ventured into these woods have never returned, their fate sealed by the deadly claws of the nimerigar. One dark and stormy night, a group of adventurous friends decided to test their courage by venturing into the heart of the forest. Ignoring the warnings of the villagers, they set off armed with only their flashlights and a sense of thrill. The wind howled through the trees, creating an eerie atmosphere that sent shivers down their spines. As they delved deeper into the forest, the air grew colder, and the sounds of nocturnal creatures filled the silence. Suddenly, a blood-curdling scream pierced the night, causing the group to freeze in terror. They exchanged fearful glances and quickened their pace, hoping to reach safety. But fate had other plans for them. In the distance, they caught a glimpse of a small, shadowy figure darting between the trees. Its red eyes glowed ominously, and its sharp claws scraped against the bark, leaving deep gashes. The nimerigar had found its prey. Panic engulfed the group as they scattered in different directions, desperately trying to outrun the creature. The forest seemed to come alive, with branches reaching out to snag their clothes and thorny bushes scratching their skin. Each step they took only brought them closer to the clutches of the nimerigar. One by one, the friends fell victim to the creature's relentless pursuit. Its speed and agility were unmatched, and its hunger seemed insatiable. The forest echoed with their screams as they met their gruesome fate, torn apart by the nimerigar's razor-sharp teeth. Only one friend remained, his heart pounding in his chest as he hid behind a large tree. He watched in horror as the nimerigar feasted on the remains of his companions, its grotesque form illuminated by the pale moonlight. Fear consumed him, but survival instincts kicked in, urging him to find a way out. With trembling hands, he reached into his pocket and pulled out a small vial of holy water. The villagers had warned him of the nimerigar's weakness, and he hoped that this might be his only chance to escape. He held his breath and approached the creature, pouring the holy water onto its scaly skin. To his astonishment, the nimerigar screeched in agony, its body writhing in pain. Seizing the opportunity, he sprinted towards the forest's edge, fueled by adrenaline and the hope of survival. The creature pursued him, but its movements grew sluggish, weakened by the holy water. Finally, he burst out of the forest, collapsing onto the ground, gasping for air. The nimerigar's terrifying presence faded into the distance, and the forest fell silent once more. He had survived, but the memory of the horrific encounter would forever haunt his dreams. From that day forward, the villagers warned others of the nimerigar's existence, urging them to stay away from the cursed forest. The legend of the creature grew, becoming a cautionary tale for those who dared to challenge the boundaries of darkness.